Hello everyone. We have to start now chapter number 5, lines and angles. We already know that what is the lines and angle. See the basic concept first. Point. Definition of point. A point determines the location. Point क्या करता है? Location determine करता है. It is usually denoted by capital letter. For example, here this is point. This point is called point A and this is point B. P. Second definition, line. What is the line? Line can be extended from both ends. Line can be extended from both ends. That means it has two side arrow. It has no end points. Both ends extend further. That is called the line. And it is denoted by AB. AB के ऊपर ऐसे line draw करना है. Okay. Second one, line segment. Line segment, a part of line, that is the part of line who with two end points. Line segment has two end points. Okay, it with two end points is called the line segment and it is denoted by AB like that. So it line has no end point and line segment has two end points. Let's see definition of ray. It is a part of line with one end point. Ray has one end point and other end has extended further and other end is extended further. Okay, and it is denoted by AB. AB के ऊपर ऐसे ray draw करना है. Ray has, that means line has no end points. Line segment has two end points and ray has one end points and other has arrow. That is the types of line. Second one, lines, angles and its types. So what is meant by first angles? What is meant by angle? When two ray originated from the same end point, that means this ray OA and OB originated from same end point. This is the O is the end point. They form an angle. So यहाँ पे angle form होता है. That is called the angle. When two ray originated from same end point, they form an angle. This is called an angle. Second one, the OA and OB, there is called arm of an angle, otherwise side of an angle. The ray are called arm upon angles and the common point, O is the common point, it is called the vertex of the angles. So that means here OA and OB are the sides of angle and O is the vertex of the angles. Let's see now types of angle. First, acute angles. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree. An angle is measured in less than 90 degree. It is called the acute angle. For example, 35, 46, 60. All angles are here less than 90 degree. So this angle is called acute angle. Second one, right angle. An angle measure is exact 90 degree. It is called the right angle. Right angle का measurement कैसे होता है? It is exact 90 degree like that. So that is called the right angle. Second definition, it is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Obtuse angle की condition क्या है? An angle whose measure is greater than 90 but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. See here 120 and 35. This both are greater than 90 but less than 180 degree. So that is called the obtuse angle. Straight angle, an angle whose measure is exact 180 degree. Exact 180 degree मतलब ऐसे straight angle होता है. So this is the 180 degree angle. ये straight angle की definition. An angle whose measure is exact 180 degree is called the straight angle. Next one, reflex angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Greater than 180 but less than 360 degree is called an reflex angle. Okay. an angle whose measure is less than 180 degree but greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called the reflex angle. And last, it is complete angle, an angle for one revolution, that is an angle whose measure is 360 degree, that is the complete angle, one revolution. That means यहाँ पे सर्कल फाइंड आउट होता है. सो दिस इज द 360 डिग्री एंगल. सो acute angle, it is less than 90 degree. Right angle, it is exact 90 degree. Obtuse, greater than 90 but less than 180. Straight angle, it is exact 180 degree. Reflex angle, greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. And complete angle is 360 degree. Now let's see the related angle. Related angle. There are 5 types of related angles. First one, complementary angle. When the sum of measure of two angle is 90 degree, two angles is 90 degree, then the angles are called complementary angle. When the sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree is called the complementary angle. See, here one angle is 30 degree and here second angle is 60 degree. तो 30 plus 60 क्या हो जाता है? 30 plus 60 that is 90 degree. So that's why angle POQ and angle ABC are called the complementary angle. दोनों की total 90 degree आती है. That's why it is the 90 degree angle. Second one, supplementary angle. Same, when the sum of measure of two angle is 180 degree. Two angle is 180 degree. Then the angles are called supplementary angle. For example, this first angle is 60 degree and second angle is 120 degree. 120 plus 60 क्या होता है? It is 180 degree. So that means angle XOY and angle PQR is the supplementary angle because total उनकी क्या आती है? 180 degree. So complementary, the sum of two angle is 90 degree and supplementary, the sum of two angle is 180 degree. Okay. Now next one, adjacent angle. Adjacent angle के लिए definition देखो अभी. Two angles are said to be adjacent or adjacent to each other. Two angles adjacent कब होते हैं? They have common side, otherwise arm. They have common side and they have common vertex. मतलब two angles adjacent कब होते हैं? जब उनके common sides and common vertex होते हैं. See, here two angles, here angles is given. Here BC is a common side. यहाँ पे two angles बनते हैं. First and this. ABC, this is first angle and second angle CBD. There is second angle. और उसमें BC is the common side and B is the common vertex. So that's why angle ABC and CBD are adjacent angle because it has common side and common vertex. Here also same like that. Here angle 1 and angle 2 is given. और दोनों में common side कौन सी आती है? Here PQ is the common side and Q is the common vertex. So that's why angle PQR and angle QPQ are adjacent angle because it has common side and common vertex. Okay. Now second one, linear pair. Two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. क्या चाहिए हमें linear pair के लिए? Adjacent angle whose sum is 180 degree are said to be linear pair. Linear pair के लिए condition दोनों angle adjacent भी चाहिए. मतलब second example here adjacent angle का second example. This is supplementary also, that means इनकी total 180 degree आ जाएगी with वो adjacent है. See here example is given, angle 1 and angle 2. Straight angle है, that means उनकी total क्या आ जाएगी? Automatically 180 degree आ जाएगी. Straight angle 180 degree का ही होता है. And with PQ is here common side. So that's why it is linear pair because it is adjacent also and sum is 180 degree also. That's why it form a linear pair. Next one, vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. When two lines intersect each other at one common points. Two lines intersect करते. These two lines intersect at one common point, they form a vertical opposite angle. That means here angle 1 and angle 3 are vertical opposite angle and these angles are equal. And second, angle 2 and angle 4 also vertical opposite angle and they form a equal. Because here vertical opposite की definition ही है vertical opposite angles are equally in measure. So that's why angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 4. That is the 5 types. First type, adjacent complementary angle, when two angles measure is 90 degree. Second, supplementary angle, when two angles are measured 180 degree. Third one, adjacent angle, it has common side and common vertex. Linear pair, adjacent angle whose sum is 180 degree. And vertical opposite angles, two lines intersect at a common point, then vertical opposite angle formed are equal. Okay.